My AC remote battery is dead, so let's check. It have two batteries, 1.5 volt. These are not rechargeable, so let's start how to fix it. We will give it a shock, cool and hot. Let's see. I put them in freezer ice making box for 3 minutes. 3 minutes completed. Let's take it out. Now it's very cooled. Now the next part is it put in the, now it's very cold. Now put in the hot water. It is the boiling water, only for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I'm afraid but nothing happened. Yeah, take it out. Now it's little bit hot, so we can wait 1 minute, let the temperature normal, then we check, insert in the remote and check. Now the cell temperature is normal. Let's put it and check. Oh really, it's working. This is good. I was thinking maybe it will not work, but it's really working. I seen on TikTok, so I just checked. Okay, see. Oh, this is really good. So this method is really working. Its name is cool and hot.